Alright, so today what we're going to do is we are going to create a mobile application. So all you do is click New, Compute, Mobile Service, and Create. Now you just pick a URL you like, so I can't spell rainbows correctly. And then you can also choose to decide which database you want to put it in. So you can choose an existing SQL database instance, or you can just create your own. I'm going to choose to create my own today. And then finally you just choose the region, click Next, and choose the server that you want to use. And of course, log into the server that you want to use. Alright, this will create your new mobile application instance. And what we're going to do is we're not necessarily going to completely create an application from scratch. We're going to use a application that Windows Azure has ready for us already, and we're just going to hook it up to our computer and run it. Alright, now that our mobile application has been created, we're just going to click into it. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so I can see more. And then we're going to click Create a new Windows Store app. Now if you haven't done this already, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go and install Visual Studio Express 2012 for Windows 8. And you're also going to need to install the Mobile Services SDK. If you don't already have the Mobile Services SDK, that's fine. It's really easy to download. You just click right here, and the download will pop up and extract itself. Next, you're going to create a to-do table. So what this does is this creates a kind of like a storage unit within your mobile application, and it will be right in here inside of data. And it's like, no tables, oh no. But this is okay, because we're going to add a table, and what this is going to do, it's going to be create a place where we can store data from our app. Alright, so just click on it. You don't have to do anything else. And then after that, you're going to download and run your app. So you have a choice between C# and JavaScript. I'm going to choose C#. And you just click download. Make sure that you don't open the application. It is a zip file, so it will blow up in your face, and it will not be a happy camper, and then everyone's angry. So just save the file, and then open folder is what you're going to press. There it is. And after that, you just right click and then click on Extract All. Alright, after you've extracted it, this should pop up, and what you're going to do is you're going to right click again, open with that magical thing that I was talking about earlier, Microsoft Visual Studio Express 2012 for Windows 8. Click OK. Alright, now that we have our application on our computer, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Main, we're going to right click again, so much right clicking, and we're going to click View Designer. Alright, so this is normal, the invalid markup thing that's going to pop up, that's completely fine. What you're going to do is you're going to press build, and your application will build itself and then you'll be able to run it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, and there we go. There is our application. Now that we've built it, we can actually run it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to just press F5. It's at the top of your keyboard. Now I have messed this up somehow. Yes I have. Control Z if you mess it up. Right, so I just pressed F5. Okay, so now that you have your application up and running, what you're going to do is you're going to select several items that you want to do. So I have no idea if I spelled that correctly. Alright, so now that we have several things on our to-do list, what I know is that every time I click the save button, a new item is added to this to-do list. And not only is it added to the to-do list, but it's also added to the Windows Azure storage table that we created earlier. So, currently, everything in the Windows Azure storage table reads false because we haven't clicked on any of these items. But let's say I have eaten bacon today. So you just click on that, it disappears, and now in Windows Azure, it reads true. So let me just show you that. Refresh this. And look, we have everything else that we haven't checked off is labeled false, and everything that we have is labeled true. Alright, well that's all for my video today. Next week I'm going to try to show you how to configure your own Windows 8 app that you've created on your computer to Windows Azure. Alright, thank you for your time.